In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Microsoft account in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search Setting, open Settings. In the left hand side menu, click on Accounts, scroll down little bit, then click on Your Info. Now under Account Setting, click on Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. You will get this pop-up window. Enter your email address of Microsoft account that you want to add. If you don't have Microsoft account, click on create one. Just follow the on-screen instruction. I already have Microsoft account. Here is my Microsoft account email. Click on next. Check your email address. Microsoft will send a email with OTP code. Enter the code here and then click on sign in. One step more, click on next. Enter your device pin. Here as you see, Microsoft account finally added. In this way, you can add Microsoft account in your Windows device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.